All right, so I think I should share the screen. I think we've got a couple of
Mm-hmm.
more trivia questions while we
More fun
welcome
trivia.
more trivia of some sort. I see Dan up there, so he's gonna I'm gonna introduce him in a second here. What did I want to do here? I wanted to go back up to here. So there was Phil. Can you guys see what's on my screen now? I hope so, right?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, we can.
Okay, so there's Phil. He's not a trivia question. He was our speaker. But the next trivia question is this one. What is the rule of two? So this thing always pops up and covers my screen. So I'm going to put that over there, see if this thing still works. What is the rule of two? Does anybody know what this is? Never space travel without a buddy. Sounds like going swimming. And they are always like the Wookiees along with what was his name? Not Luke Skywalker, but the other guy. Use Oracle Active Data Guard for disaster. That sounds good. Sith Lords, and always bring 2 red shirts with you. So a lot of options here, guys. Anybody happen to know the answer? Yep, there it is. You guys got it.
Yeah,
And
pretty
I didn't know
quickly.
that. I heard that in the movie one time, but it went over my head. So that was you guys did great on that one. Let's see if we have another question for you while we gear up for our panel discussion. I'm told we might have a special guest to join us on the panel. If we can get this person to join us on the panel, I think that's really just going to be really good. So there's the two Sith Lords, and you can only have 2 at a time apparently. Okay, is there an analytics and data Oracle user community GitHub? Oh, everyone's got it, everyone seems to be guessing the same thing. Now, I don't know why this thing keeps on popping up here, but
yeah, perfect. Right answer. Yes, we have.
Yes, we have one, and you can put stuff in there. You can download stuff in there. The whole idea of this analytics and data Oracle community is to share best practices. So I've put a few things in there, but I am by far not the best, most talented guy out there for doing things. And so if you have some clever Apex thing, some OAC dashboard, some data set, some cool notebook or Oracle data miner thing, something you're willing to share, please share it, because we none of us have solved all the world's problems, but maybe together we can learn from each other. So that's the idea. And if you just Google analytics data Oracle user community, I think Carrie, maybe we have that in the Slack channel or something like that. I think we have that in there maybe. So next one. I don't know if you guys see this. Adel, do you see these commercials in the United States? Do you see this?
Nope. Nope. I don't see
them. I'll have to do this one, I guess. So we see these in the United States. Where's this guy here? And where is it? Right here. So they always show. This guy's always in the way here. They have Luke Skywalker as he exists today, and the next generation, Captain Luke Picard. And they come and they start having this battle of some sort, and it's sponsored by Uber Eats. So we wanted to ask, if they did have this battle, who would win? So let's see. Yep, that's what I figured was the safe answer. They're just going to share a nice meal together. Everyone wins. All right, that was good. So let's see if we have any more questions before we jump into our panel. We'll probably jump into our panel just a couple of minutes early. We'll see if we can get our guest, special guest, to join us. We're trying to arrange that now. Okay, Adel, you want to take this one?
The next one?
This one. I'm
of course.
Sure.
Where is the best place to find analytics and data Oracle user community content? Stack Overflow, your local library, our YouTube channel, o.com. That is easy, guys. And the answer is obviously our YouTube channel. Well done.
And I don't know if you guys go there. Well, we won't go there right now because we're gearing up for everything else, and I don't want to keep you too late. But if you just simply go to the main page, there's a little button on the lower right or whatever that'll show you there. And I think we have like 75 recordings from previous things up there. It's quite you can see some from right here, and they're all recorded. We also have them on the main analytics and data TechCast. So everything we do, people always ask, are you going to record it? The answer is, of course we record it, and we also dual post it on our own website, but also out to YouTube. So you can just spend if you get snowed in down in Texas like Roger did, and he gets power, you could sit down there and watch these things all day long. All right, Adel, you want to do this one?
What from what is this character? From Star Wars or Star Trek? Or for neither? Maybe it's a character that we took for another movie.
Well, what is this person's name? I wonder. Who is that person? I don't know. This a tough one.
It's a tough one, yes.
No, it's Star Wars. I'm
It's
told.
Star Wars, no?
It's Star Wars. Yeah, that's I googled characters from which show or whatever, and that's what came up there. So let's see, where are we now? We're almost ready for our TechCast. Oh, I'll do this one. This is more my show.
Your thing.
Who was the first communications officer on the Enterprise? Hoshi Sato and Yuto Ohoro, and so on. You guys are good on this one. I don't know if you guys see the polling the way I see it. Do you guys see the polling as a attendee?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, that's it. I'm very proud of you guys. I'm glad you got that one. That's good. Okay, next, what else do we have here?